2016 Olympic trials. Quite a great all-around athlete. All right, Derrian Gobourne. Drew Watson before her, a 9.825. This is a routine we've been looking forward to, Kathy.
Absolutely. She lights it up, and then she cleans up a little bit of the footwork in the choreography. This will be spectacular. Check that out. Full in. And she just loves playing the diva. But watch. I think her quote was, "It's not what you do, it is how you do it." Needs to land those jumps with her feet together.
She said she loves fashion, wants to be a model, and she's certainly not afraid of the spotlight, is she?
Well, I'd like her to feel like she's in stiletto heels here and really get up on those toes and get those ankles tight. Has so much good in this routine. The tumbling is well done. The sassitude is there. It matches the music and the choreography. And in dance like that, that's fine to have flat feet. It's supposed to. It's part of the choreography. It's the style of the dance. But when you need those good feet and ankles and toes, you got to show them. They can't be turned in or sickled. Big finish, pike double back. Boom, right to the end position. Good for her. So plenty of difficulty in this routine. A double back with a full twist to open it. Just a little side hop there. Such a tiny little detail. Good height. Nice chest position on the landing. Strong finish.